Welcome to the Anti-Sinite movement. These videos are not edited. They are AI assisted and read from script. Today's subject is part 2 of Address to the Unborn. To help you understand the value of living a sin-free life, here are some examples that illustrate the benefits of embracing an anti-sin philosophy. Personal integrity and trust. Example: imagine a community where everyone speaks the truth and honors their commitments. Trust becomes the foundation of all relationships, fostering a sense of security and cooperation. Value, honesty, and reliability build strong, lasting relationships, both personally and professionally. People who live with integrity earn the respect and trust of others. Inner peace and mental well-being are all benefits of living sin-free. The example: a person who avoids deceit, theft, and harmful behavior can sleep peacefully at night, free from guilt and anxiety. A clear conscience and peaceful mind lead to better mental health, reducing stress and increasing overall happiness. Healthy relationships. These are examples of living sin-free. In a family where members practice kindness, patience, and forgiveness, conflicts are resolved constructively, and love and support thrive. We have the example of positive, supportive relationships are crucial for emotional well-being and create a nurturing environment for everyone involved. Community, harmony, and cooperation. This is what you will inherit when we live sin-free lives in a society where people refrain from violence, theft, and exploitation. Communities can work together to achieve common goals, such as improving public services and ensuring safety for all. These are the lessons we must learn to live a sin-free life, where social harmony and cooperation lead to stronger, more resilient communities, where individuals can strive, thrive, and support one another. Long-term fulfillment, everlasting unity with God. It's our choice, choosing to live with integrity and compassion over pursuing immediate pleasures that harm oneself or others, resulting in a more fulfilling and meaningful life. We avoid those to choose to live with integrity and compassion over pursuing immediate pleasures that harm oneself or others, results in a more fulfilling and meaningful life when we live sin-free. True fulfillment comes from living in accordance with one's values. One's values are God's own value. They are one and the same, and contributing positively to the world, rather than chasing temporary and often destructive gratifications of sin. We become better role models during life, living righteously. By living a sin-free life, you set a positive example for others, especially younger generations, inspiring them to adopt similar values. We all need to be better role models. Being a role model for others helps spread the principles of integrity, compassion, and peace, creating a ripple effect that benefits society as a whole when we all join together in righteousness and truth. avoidance of negative consequences. We avoid negative consequences by being righteous and living sin-free lives, avoiding substance abuse, dishonesty, or aggression prevents the numerous negative consequences associated with these actions and behavior, such as legal issues, health problems, and broken relationships. This we want removed from our world order as you come aboard on the planet and not make the mistake that we who have been here have lived through and are now giving back to you a legacy of living sin-free as examples to highlight the profound impact of an anti-sin philosophy that can have on your life and the world around you. Embrace these values, and you will find that the path of righteousness leads to a life of true peace, happiness, and fulfillment. With sincere hope for your bright and virtuous future, peace.